Today we show you the innovative silicone Aqua Ward antifouling paint, which does not contain biocides, zinc, or copper. And therefore, it is 100% eco-friendly and one of the best options for your vessel. Our company provides a full range of services for the application of this and other antifouling coatings, ensuring the maximum protection, durability, and performance for your boat. Let us show you how we carry out our work on one of our projects. Before applying this paint, the hull of the vessel must be carefully prepared. We begin with cleaning, sanding, and degreasing it to ensure a perfect adhesion between the primer and the main coating. We apply a 2-component epoxy primer in gray to the already prepared surface. This is an important step that creates a solid base for the antifouling coating. The primer is applied in 2 layers to ensure long-lasting protection and prevent moisture penetration, which is especially important for marine use. Once the primer is dry, we can proceed to the next step, applying the Aqua Ward coating. Aqua Ward is a highly effective antifouling paint, a 100% hydrophobic, which allows your vessel glide much better and faster over the water, reducing resistance and increasing speed. It is important to note that it does not contain harmful substances like biocides, zinc, or copper. A sprayer suits better for the application of this paint. Aqua Ward is applied easily over the surface and dries quickly, leaving no traces. After application, it dries in just 2 hours, allowing us to go on to the next step. Now this coating is dry, and your vessel is ready for use. Aqua Ward provides a 100% reliable protection against fouling and maintains your bottom hull in the best condition possible. Here you see the result: a perfectly treated bottom hull that will improve your vessel's performance for many years. This paint is durable and highly efficient. Please, for more information and consultations, contact us at 346-241-49508. Also WhatsApp. We will be happy to assist you to select and apply the most convenient and efficient antifouling paints for your vessel.